Hello everyone! So this is going to be kind of a first impressions slash release and review video. This just got here. I've seen like 2 sneak peeks. I have no idea. I have no idea if this is all of it or if this is part of it. No clue. No clue! You guys will find out with me together and I'll know when I do all the uploading and links whether or not this is everything. So, Simon just had, because I'll post this after it goes live, a new release. This is the Love release for January, and oh, the stamps, I can't wait. Okay, let's just dive into this. So there's a whole bunch more new wafer dies. Love. So this first one, this is the Streaming Heart. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Ooh, and it's big too. That will definitely take center stage on a card. And the immediate thing I think of is die cutting it as a window and having like alcohol ink background, glitter background, some fun sponged gorgeous background. But you could also die cut this from a fancy background pattern paper and then, you know, piece it onto your card. I like the size of it. That will take up like, you know, kind of center stage in your card and then do like a strip with a sentiment or a die cut sentiment. Fun. So it's 3 1/4 inches across. Oh, and I just about knocked over my big old coffee cup. Wait, 3 1/4 inches across and about 3 inches high. So on an A2 size card, here we go, got the back of one. There's an A2 size card. This will take up, you know, a nice size. I like a lot. So that's Streaming Heart. And then, oh my goodness. The cutest thing ever. Picture book ice cream cone. I just did a recent video with some of the picture book characters. If they're gonna start doing food items, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself because, yeah, that can be fun. We need food items too. We've got the ice cream cone. I would like waffles, bacon. I'm done. Like, I don't think there's that in here, but hint, hint, Simon, for future ones. That would be amazing. I would be all over that. So yeah, that's the little picture book ice cream cone. It cuts a little face. I think that's the cutest thing ever. So I have that one. There's like several of, oh, I'll get to that in a minute. There's several little like face style. Yeah, there's little clouds and little hearts. Oh, and there's that little guy. I'll get to that in a minute too because it's like super cute. Okay. So yeah, there's happy hearts. Let's just get, oh, that's cute. So yeah, their little faces. That's just adorable. So adorable. So we have that one. And then we have happy clouds. This makes me think of Bob Ross. Just happy little clouds. And same thing, they have little faces on them. That's just too cute. Too cute. Just fun little die sets. And then I'm just going to get right into these because I'm just like losing my mind. So we have Picture Book Love Bear and Picture Book Unicorn. Ah! This one's going to sell out. I am excited. I love the picture book characters. I can't stop using them. This one's adorable. Just so cute. Love that. Love it. So yeah. Love that. And I actually would use just those little tiny hearts. You know, I would just run through this with like strips of cards. I just have those little hearts to like add as little embellishments. I like having little heart shapes. And then of course we've got the unicorn. Fabulousness. Absolute fabulousness. That's just going to be fun. Can never have too many of these picture book characters. And if they're going to start doing like food ones too. Oh, love. So we got those. And then we have Sprinkle Heart. They have other sprinkle sets that are really, really cute. So there you go. This actually you could die cut and then you could have just a ton of little shaker pieces if you wanted. Or like little embellishments because you get all these different little heart shapes and there's also little circle shapes. Or you can die cut it as a window. I like that it has a little stitching edge around it just to kind of define it a little more. And then you back it with some bright cardstock or glitter or whatever. That's really cute. So yeah, that's the Sprinkle Heart wafer die. And then we've got the Cupid's Heart border. So all their border dies are sized to go across an entire card front usually. So just like so. And this is just over, it's about 5 3/8, so it'll fit perfectly across an A2 size card. And same thing, you can do it as a window, or you could just die cut and then adhere these. You can do whatever you want. I like the size of this though, it's just pretty. And again, these would make great little like shaker elements. Just die cut it and then throw those into a shaker card. That'd be perfect. So we have that one. Let me move this out of the way here. So then we've got shiny hearts and shining heart. So the individual one, oh, that's fun. So it die cuts the heart and then it will just like cut the like radiating rays around it. That's neat. I like that. So you could inlay the heart or you could use it as a window. Fun. I'm gonna be curious to see what everyone designs with these because they're different. I like it. So then this one I assume is a border of them. Yes. So that's really cool. So yeah, I would use that across the cards. You got this fun rays. I'd probably pop the hearts up and then you could have a nice, like the previous race in the friends with the I love you sentiment. I put that right across there. I like. So that's the shiny hearts and the shining heart. And then speaking of, we'll get to the word, those are word dice. Okay, so then we have the repeating circles. Ooh, that's a good size. Just like so, so you can cut some windows, you could poke some, like have some little characters or make those like just shaker elements. And same thing, it's size that it could take. So you could have windows, have little characters peeking out, you know, little stamped images, whatever, make them shakers if you want, and then have like a sentiment across. You could do it either way. Or have it off to like the side, yada, yada, yada. So that's cool. So that's the repeating circles wafer die. And then we've got the word dies. So we have another fancy scripty font that I'm almost positive Christina Warner did in her fabulous handwriting. So this one's Perfection. So you've got the word and then you've got the outline for it. So you can mix and match. You can either use it just as is or you can back it with a different color cardstock or vellum or whatever. I like having those options. So we have that one. And then we've got some more in this newer font they've been using, which I really like too. So we have Take Care and Here for You. So Take Care. If I can get this open. There we go. Just a nice size. I like that. I like that. Not too big, not too tiny that it's going to be a pain to try and add to your card. Just a nice size. So I like that. So we've got Take Care. And then we have Here for You. I can see myself using this one a lot. There we go. And same thing. Just a nice size. I really like that. But those. And then the super exciting one, I was seeing sneaks of this online and it has me completely losing my mind because it's the cutest thing ever. This is the Breakfast Buddies stamp set. Everyone's gonna lose their mind. I assume, this is my assumption, but just the way it looks, that this was designed to coordinate with that new Doodlebug So Punny collection because Simon has been partnering with them to create like coordinating stamps and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I kind of assumed this is, and it's just adorable. Oh my god. We are toastily perfect together. You're my butter half. I love you. You're terrific. We go together like bacon and eggs. Hello, QT. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you from the bottom of my tart. I like you a waffle lot. Seriously. Anyone who knows me, one huge Doodlebug fan. I have the whole So Punny collection. It's on its way here. And of course, Canada Post is taking its sweet time getting it to me because I would use that with this. So yeah, there's little eggs and little faces and hearts and this is the cutest little set ever. There is a coordinating die set. So that's super awesome. They released another set that was separate that came in their limited edition Valentine's kit. I don't have that set either because same thing, it's on its way here. Everything is taking its sweet time. But there is another set with other food images that's absolutely adorable and same thing, that one was made to coordinate with the Doodlebug line. So I will link to it And of course, when it gets here, I'll show everyone. But yeah, super duper adorable. Love it. Love. So there's those. Then there is this gorgeous, this is the folk dance stencil. The detail in this is something else. I am loving. I love the detail that Simon's been achieving in their stencils lately. Oh. Isn't that pretty? Like, so pretty. Ugh, this will look gorgeous, just sponging colors and embossing paste and all that. I just love it. It's just gorgeous. So much fun. So there's that one. And then last but certainly not least in this package, we have this absolutely, like my jaw dropped when I saw this. This is the Cosmos background stamp, and I just want to start playing with watercolor. Is that not gorgeous? I'm gonna stamp this, heat emboss it, watercolor it, throw on a sentiment, and you're done. Like, love. Absolutely love. This is so pretty. So pretty. So that was in the package. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is the entire release or not, but I will have a link to the release in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. And then links to everything, links to what I talked about, etc. All that will be below. It's easier to see on my blog if you head on over there, because on my blog it's actual like visual picture links so you can see what I'm talking about. So check that out below if you're interested. And of course, I will be back soon with cards and videos using these amazing products. So I will check back in very soon with another video. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and the comments, everything. I appreciate you all so very much. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.